Hello, I'm Jackie, the Digital Marketing Specialist for HappyNeuron Pro US. We have a new exercise called Embroidery, which focuses on the language system. In this exercise, users have to connect letters to make a word pertaining to a category. For example, if the category is animal, your patient will have to connect their letter tiles to spell out a word that corresponds to animal. The first 3 letters of the word are given to you. Click on the highlighted letters and continue to build the word. You can adapt this exercise to your patient's abilities. Settings you can customize include the number of words your patient has to find, the size of the grid, the number of letters with the grid, whether tiles can connect diagonally, if hints can be provided, and if the category the words correspond to is shown. This exercise is great for patients with stroke, brain injury, learning disabilities, and elders. Check out this new exercise now. For more information on our content, contact us at info@happyneuronpro.com or by calling 215-987-6165.